What happens when the person you trusted completely forces you to make a heavy life choice that you never once practiced, planned, or prepared for in your entire existence? In the study of human relationship psychology, there is a very deep and difficult reality regarding how men handle sudden crisis situations. A man will spend years preparing his mind for professional challenges, financial drops, or physical emergencies. He knows exactly what to do if his business faces a problem or if his house needs a major repair. However, behavioral data suggests that almost no man is truly prepared for the sudden, cold reality of relationship betrayal. When infidelity is discovered, a man is instantly thrown into a chaotic psychological environment where every choice he makes carries massive, permanent consequences. He is suddenly forced to decide whether to separate his family, how to handle his shared finances, and whether he should attempt to fix a broken bond or walk away into complete isolation. This sudden pressure creates a heavy mental fog because the emotional shock happens at the exact same time that logical, real-world choices are demanded of him. Understanding these patterns is not about attacking anyone or taking a side in relationship arguments. It is about studying human nature objectively so you can understand the hidden psychological traps that happen during a relationship crisis, keep your logical mind steady, and protect your personal future when you are caught completely off guard. Today, we are going to look closely at how cheating forces men into decisions they never prepared for. We will analyze why the initial shock paralyzes a man's logical thinking, how panic causes men to make deep mistakes with their personal boundaries, and how a lack of strategic preparation can cause a man to lose his hard-earned peace of mind in a matter of days. Most people see what happened. Few stop to understand why it happened. If you're here to think deeper, question assumptions, and see beyond the surface, you're in the right place. Subscribe and join the conversation, because better understanding leads to better decisions. To truly understand why this situation is so dangerous for a man's mental strength, we must first look at a psychological pattern known as the reality collapse. When a man is dedicated to his marriage or long-term relationship, he builds a complete mental map of his future. He knows where his money is going, he knows who he is coming home to, and he believes he understands the character of his partner. When an act of cheating is revealed, that entire mental map is wiped away in a single second. The subconscious mind experiences a massive shock because the person who was supposed to be a safe harbor has suddenly become the primary source of danger. Behavioral observations suggest that this sudden collapse causes a man to experience extreme confusion. He looks at his partner and realizes he does not actually know the person standing in front of him. This intense confusion makes it incredibly difficult to make high-value decisions because his brain is still trying to accept that his daily reality has completely changed. The second major behavioral trend to analyze within this crisis is called the urgency trap. When a betrayal happens, a man feels an intense, frantic pressure to do something immediately to stop the pain or fix the situation. He feels that he must make a definitive choice right that second, either to pack his bags and run, or to beg his partner for an explanation, or to make a huge scene. Psychological trends show that making big decisions while under the direct influence of emotional trauma almost always leads to terrible results. When a man acts out of pure panic, his long-term logical brain is completely turned off, and his short-term emotional brain takes total control. This behavioral tendency often causes men to make massive promises, sign financial agreements, or accept unfair blame just to make the immediate argument stop, failing to realize that they are locking themselves into long-term conditions that will damage their life for decades to come. Let us look at a realistic story involving a man named Liam and his wife, Vanessa, to see how these dangerous emotional patterns look in real life. Liam was a talented architect who spent all his daily energy designing buildings and providing a beautiful, high-value home for Vanessa and their 2 young children. Liam was a very stable person, but he assumed that as long as the bills were fully paid and he was a peaceful husband, his marriage would naturally remain completely secure. He never studied relationship psychology, and he never thought about what he would do if his trust was broken. Vanessa, however, developed a behavioral trend of seeking constant outside validation through online communities and local social events. She eventually started a hidden relationship with a man from her personal network. When Liam discovered the truth by seeing a series of undeniable notifications on her phone, his entire world experienced a massive shock, Because he had never mentally prepared for this type of crisis, Liam fell directly into a state of absolute panic. He felt a deep fear of losing his children and facing a lonely future, so he made the critical mistake of trying to negotiate with Vanessa while he was completely broken. He begged her to stay, promised to work fewer hours, and even apologized for not being attentive enough, completely dropping his own self-respect. This passive reaction caused a very negative outcome. Vanessa looked at Liam's desperation and completely lost any remaining respect for him. She viewed his panic as absolute weakness and used his fear to control the entire narrative, continuing her bad behavior in secret while demanding that Liam maintain her lifestyle. The relationship eventually collapsed anyway, but because Liam had acted out of fear and made desperate promises during the first few weeks, he lost his financial leverage, damaged his relationship with his children, and left the marriage with a completely destroyed sense of personal dignity. Liam failed because he allowed the sudden shock to force him into desperate negotiations before his logical mind was steady enough to think clearly. Have you ever seen a situation where a man made terrible life choices or lost his personal power simply because he panicked during the first few days of a relationship crisis? I invite you to think about this heavy topic and share your thoughts in the comment section below. When we analyze Liam's experience from a deep psychological viewpoint, we find a third critical trend known as the emotional overinvestment penalty. Before a betrayal ever happens, many men invest 100% of their happiness, their identity, and their sense of purpose into their partner. They make their woman the absolute center of their universe. While dedication is a beautiful quality, behavioral science shows that when you make another person your entire reason for living, you give away all your personal power. If that person chooses to act unfaithfully, your entire identity is destroyed along with the relationship. The aware, high-value man learns from watching these patterns that he must always maintain an independent center of gravity. His primary mission, his personal discipline, and his self-respect must always remain the highest priorities in his life. By keeping his personal foundation firmly grounded in his own values rather than the choices of another individual, a man ensures that if a storm ever hits his home, he will possess the internal strength to look at the data calmly, protect his family assets, and make decisions based on cold, clear logic rather than desperate fear. When you realize that an independent center of gravity is your only true safety net in this life, you stop letting the choices of others control your emotional stability. You begin to understand that a man who respects his own path must treat a relationship crisis not as a reason to panic, but as a direct demand to stand firmly on his baseline rules. Now, we must examine the final behavioral trends that explain how a betrayal forces a man into these heavy choices and how you can use clear, tactical thinking to guide your steps without losing your mind or your personal honor. We will look at how the subconscious mind handles the pressure of sudden family changes, why a man must protect his professional focus during an emotional storm, and how holding an absolute standard of truth protects your assets from total destruction. The fourth major behavioral trend that a man faces during this unpredicted crisis is a pattern known as the legacy conflict. In relationship psychology, we observe that a man's deepest panic often has nothing to do with the romance itself, but with the future of his children and his home. When an act of cheating occurs, the man is suddenly forced to think about the reality of split custody, moving into a separate house, and seeing his children only half of the time. Behavioral data suggests that this fear creates an intense psychological weight, causing many men to completely suppress their own self-respect. They will choose to live in a state of constant disrespect and daily anxiety just to keep the family unit under one roof for the kids. However, this behavioral trend often backfires completely, because children do not grow well in a home built on hidden bitterness, quiet anger, and an absolute lack of mutual respect between their parents. If you're still locked in, you're seeing what most people miss. This channel is for thinkers, not reactors. Subscribe if that resonates. Share your perspective below. Now, let's get into the part most people overlook. The fifth and final behavioral trend to analyze is the focus bleed. When a man is blindsided by a major betrayal, the emotional trauma demands 100% of his daily thoughts. He sits at his office desk replaying text messages, stays awake until dawn analyzing past conversations, and loses his ability to focus on his daily tasks. Psychological trends indicate that this focus bleed is often the moment where a man's professional life begins to collapse alongside his personal life. If he allows his emotional pain to ruin his business performance, lose his clients, or damage his career standing, he effectively hands over his entire future to the crisis. A grounded, high-value individual understands that when the domestic perimeter is compromised, the professional mission must become an iron bunker of discipline, serving as a safe place where logic, order, and personal power are strictly maintained. Let us look at a realistic story of positive growth involving a man named Owen to see how these heavy decisions can be managed with absolute clarity and calm strength. Owen was a dedicated operations manager for a logistics company who had been married to his partner, Maya, for 7 years. They shared a beautiful suburban home and a 5-year-old son. One evening, Owen discovered clear evidence that Maya had been maintaining a secret relationship with a person she met during a weekend trip. The initial wave of shock was massive, and Owen immediately felt the heavy pressure to scream, demand answers, or make an immediate decision about their future. However, Owen possessed a high level of emotional intelligence. Instead of falling into the urgency trap, he chose to apply the rule of the absolute pause. He told Maya that he was aware of her choices, but refused to discuss the matter further until his own mind was perfectly steady. He left the house for 48 hours, stayed at a quiet hotel, and spent the time consulting with a high-value legal professional to understand his rights regarding his assets and his child. He did not tell his coworkers, and he did not post a single word online. When Owen returned, his mind was completely analytical. He sat Maya down and spoke in a very low, steady tone, stating that his standards of fidelity were non-negotiable and that they would be moving forward with a structured, peaceful separation to protect their son's environment. Maya looked at Owen's complete lack of panic, his absolute refusal to engage in petty arguments, and his cold, organized strength, and she experienced an immediate wave of regret. She realized that her husband was a high-value man who could never be manipulated or weakened by a crisis. She begged for a second chance, but Owen held his line firmly, ensuring a clean, legal resolution that protected his custody rights and his financial stability. Owen saved his future not by acting out of raw emotion, but by taking control of his timeline and allowing cold logic to guide his choices from the very beginning. How do you feel about the idea that a man's greatest weapon during a betrayal is his ability to slow down and refuse to make any decisions while his emotions are still hot? Think about your own standards of focus and write your thoughts in the comment section below. When you develop the mental discipline to understand that you cannot control another person's loyalty, but you can completely control your own response, you take all the destructive power away from an act of cheating. You no longer view betrayal as an event that must destroy your life, but as a difficult, unexpected test of your personal leadership and strategic thinking. Your only objective during a crisis is to protect your health, guard your real-world assets, and maintain an absolute standard of honor for how you are treated. By refusing to let panic run your mind and standing firmly on a foundation of long-term logic, you ensure that no matter what storms happen inside your home, your self-respect remains completely unshakable, allowing you to walk into the next chapter of your life with total clarity, personal power, and absolute pride. If you're still here, you've already done something most people don't. You didn't settle for the headline. You stayed for the deeper layer. In a world that rewards quick reactions, taking the time to understand is becoming a rare skill. That's what this channel is about. Not taking sides, not chasing outrage, but looking beneath the surface to understand the patterns that shape people, relationships, and decisions. If you value conversations that make you think long after the video ends, subscribe and stay connected. And if something in today's discussion stood out to you, share it in the comments. Some of the best insights come from seeing how different people interpret the same idea. Keep questioning, keep learning, keep seeing beyond the obvious. I'll see you in the next one.